Good morning or good afternoon, teacher. My name is Simran Yi, and today I will be talking about my assignment 3 for visual programming. The title for my assignment is Spectral Sunset. These are things about me, and I'm in SCM1. And this is my artist statement. Sec- Spectral Sunset is an artwork capturing a sunset theme in fragment-like pieces, being able to drag it around to make it a finishing piece. And these are my references. I mostly use colors similar to this, orange to around dark blue or purple. And this is the image that I found for reference. I didn't use exactly squares. I used more shapes with basically sharp angles. It's not as similar, but this was the reference I found for it while making it. And this is the YouTube tutorial I follow for particle, 3D particle. I decided to mix 3D particles with the shapes, and it's interactive. And this is the design process for it. At the start, I added MediaPipe to have hand tracking because that's how you have the interaction with it, basically by dragging it around. I added it to make hand tracking available. And I also added transform to color the background of my hand tracker because my artwork, the background is originally black. So I had to make it a specific, a brighter color so that it's more obvious there and it doesn't blend in with the background. And I added the particle GPU to generate particles that is needed for this artwork over here. Um, I also added the keyboard to allow me to reset the artwork when I need it because since it's interactive, I'm basically dragging the particles around the artwork. So once it's full of the particles, I can reset it and draw whatever I want on it again. This is the sphere. I added it to shape the particles, and the noise is to add some effects to it. And this is lighting over here. I added two lighting at different angles to make it brighter. And I also use the cam to make the artwork look bigger because originally the size for it is really small. And I also added ramp to color it. And I added bloom to make it have a glowing effect. And that is all. This is my final artwork. This is overall what I did for it, and I'll be looking more closely at it. And I use MediaPipe, and I close everything else because I only have detect hands, and I use transform background color because it's a lot more obvious. As you can see here, because my background here is going to be black. Um, as you can see, the particles, I needed it because I use it for my artwork. These are the noise. And this is the ramp, the color I've chosen for it. And this is the render. And this is a bloom where I edited some stuff on myself. And over here is transform. I didn't change much here. I only colored the background, and these are the lighting. I moved different angles for it. I just choose it based on how bright you'll be for each of it. And this is the camera. Oh, can't see it. This is the camera. I scale it a little more differently because if not, it'll be very not as obvious. Hold on. It's a lot more bigger and it reach further than before it was stuck here. And overall that's it. Thank you for looking at my presentation.